I know what's going on.
Yeah, modest, you see.
I know I knew it to play a god there now.
Modest, one country for the girl then. In the kitchen, in the studio, new thing for the girl, you know? Bad. Modest.
Lift it up and talk father, make them hear it now, man. They think I joke thing.
Bad.
Wicked. I knew bad man people, man, you see me? Yeah. Rum cause that. Fuck up everything, is it? Part right. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Another time again. You know, today. Yeah, man. So, no, today. Yeah, I go up on set. You don't know, I have a new juggling we call discoteca. Yeah, it's juggling consists of a lot of Spanish influence. Yeah, I don't know me there Costa Rica. I don't know I'm go over there, and for the first time, and it was a good time. So right now we're going to Paco General. Bear in mind that Paco General, like, we go way back from, you see me I say, after school days, you get me. We never go school together, because I'm far from Galdeville, I'm far from Glengarth, is it? But yeah, Paco, when I first artist, when I start out working with, and him tell me say, you gotta be a Jamaican Khalid at that time. And him say, I bring me on tour as the chef. Them time they come, they have a restaurant at the studio. Yeah, a Golden River, big up Golden River said above rocks, you don't know, Glengarth, Freetown. You see me I say go have a gap, and I say Mount Sailors, Manning Z. You see me I say Ola, Bumbuckler, Stony Hill. You see me? Yeah man, Brandon Hill. You don't know, Tavern. You see it? But yeah man, at first time I do a video with him, and like, bear in mind I first song on my record and produce Paco General featuring Massacre Mr. Death. Yeah. And me a whole heap of song. Dengue Riddim, Corona Riddim. Is me Infos Vibes pan him, and we never shoot a video yet. And it's not like we can't shoot a video, but you just never record. But you see this I wanna know. A film video first I showed pan the Riddim in discoteca. 6 artists upon it, 6 girls song. You're not gonna like it. But you know me in my ends right now, I drink some Campari. You know, there's some other thing right there so too. You see me? But Campari. But you don't know. I have some mugs to drop too.
What's the apartment number?
It's 4410.
440. Alright.
4410.
4410. Where I do some soda scene with the girl them now.
Yeah, picture get ready, but the other girl I'm not there yet.
Oh, your girl reach it?
No, them not reach it. I call Paris right now.
Yeah.
Yeah man, cause man, you know the thing go.
Yeah.
Where you say you was waiting on Paco to jump on something else?
Yeah, I've been waiting on Paco to jump on something else, bro. After the designer top him disappear for me.
Cause well, the Tiger Board, is it?
Yeah, after the designer top him disappear. You can't.
That is it man. Fuck out of them. Fresh, like a Louis sign him. Jump out. Yeah, so what I want to do now is I drop some comments for the live, because I dip on the next live, is it? The next vlog. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just drop some fire. Drop some emojis, is it? Yeah. Because now I dip on the next one, is it? Yeah, I don't know what they are saying on that. Ready to fix things, is it? Bad man. Here if you done, I tell them about rich and talk. See by the end of the year, told me rich, I'm dumb. Sign language. Not dark.
So 44.
Thank you. Elevator. Tell them saying live the elevator stop at top floor, you know. Stop there, so. Now go back down. Room. Hello. Yeah.
How you doing?
Hello.
How are you? You smell good. That's too funny.
Hello, Sasha.
Nice to meet you.
Father.
Bad.
Let's go ahead. Anything you say now, my father?
It's so hard. We put down the jacket, blue jacket over it.
Put on blue jacket. Breathe now. Nice to meet you.
You guys stop burning now?
Yeah. You wanna drink? When are you going to Japan? Yeah, you.
10 minutes. 10 more minutes.
10 more? Make everybody drink. Uncle. Yeah, 10 minutes to go. You good?
10 minutes.
What are you worrying about? Boyfriend texting? Tell him you run out of token, yeah? Food?
Alright, peace.
We're gonna go Dukuno after. We're gonna go to Dukuno. Dukuno. We're going after. You don't have to worry. What's your name? A lot of hair. Slay. Queen. Queen. What boy? Me.
You got me on camera?
No. Bad, yeah, bad, man. Uncle, yeah, dude. Bad boy, you know?
Yeah. 何かお酒？
I'm gonna kill tech. Don't find a shot in my father.
After the bed. You know I don't put the father. Who's that?
待って私水忘れたかも。
Paris. Good? You know.
おいでエリア。
Konnichiwa.
こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは。
Okay. Kill tech. Don't squeeze no shot. Uncle. Uncle and a freeze. That is it. You need more scene now, my father. I do a clean version now. Oh, it man. Put on the matic. That is it. Konnichiwa.
こんにちは。
Automatic.
It a go open, man.
No, man, if you sit, pull it down.
That is it, brother. Give me a wee pad. Bad. I don't even know. We out there, man, you know. That's it, man. Tough. could see it now, brother. Squeeze it now, brother. Celtic. Celtic. Squeeze it now, man.
Yeah, you saw the slow man here?
No fire now, speak, brother.
The fire was there.
Start up with them, my father. Let me get some fire.
The cap on it, it's not going to speak.
You're not going to spit.
What is it for the one?
No fire.
Okay, you pretend to do your own stand next time, so you see me?
Yeah.
Run them come.
Think we are lucky, yeah, the globe we are lucky, here. Look there.
Rocky,